is the first day that you can donate to Louisville Makes Games in our Give for Good campaign. That means that it's the early bird day. If you donate today, you will get an exclusive Louisville Makes Games holographic sticker. That's only today. I think you should donate to Louisville Makes Games because community makes artists better. When I go to Louisville Makes Games and I am working on my project, I have other creative people around me who I can ask questions, get advice, get feedback, bounce ideas off of. We're all people that are trying to make video games and interactive art using our voices that are unique to the people that live here in Louisville. If you think that this is a cool goal, if you like art, the world needs more storytelling. The world needs more video games that are made in your hometown. So that's why I think you should donate. Any amount is really helpful. $5 or more will get you that holographic sticker. We're gonna have a live stream on Thursday where we talk about all of the games that are being made in our city and play a bunch of them and show them off to the world. Join us.